The worm has turned, unpacking a timeless phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase, the worm has turned. This expression might sound a bit odd at first, but it's packed with meaning and history. So, let's unravel the mystery behind this phrase together and see how it can add flair to your English conversations. At its core, the worm has turned refers to a situation where someone who has been in a position of weakness or has been treated poorly stands up for themselves or experiences a reversal of fortune. It's like saying the underdog has finally had their day. This phrase encapsulates the idea of a turning point, especially for someone or something that was previously downtrodden or overlooked. The origins of "the worm has turned" are quite fascinating and date back to the 16th century. It is believed to have been inspired by the notion that even the lowliest creature, a worm, will retaliate if pushed too far. This metaphor beautifully illustrates the concept of reaching a breaking point and finding the courage or means to stand up against adversity. It's a powerful reminder that everyone has their limits. Using "the worm has turned" in conversation or writing can add depth to your storytelling or analysis. Here are a few examples to illustrate its use. In personal triumphs, after years of struggling in his job, John finally got the promotion he deserved. The worm has turned for him at last. In literature and movies, when analyzing characters or plots, you might say, "This chapter marks where the worm has turned for the protagonist," signaling a shift in her fortunes. In everyday situations, if a friend tells you about standing up to a bully or overcoming a challenge, you could respond, "So, the worm has turned, huh? I'm proud of you." The phrase, "the worm has turned," holds a special place in English literature and colloquial speech, symbolizing resilience and the potential for change regardless of one's current circumstances. It serves as a reminder that everyone, no matter how insignificant they might seem, has the strength to make a stand and change their destiny. Its enduring popularity underscores the universal appeal of the underdog story in human culture. And there we have it, folks. "The worm has turned" is more than just a quirky phrase. It's a testament to the human spirit's resilience and capacity for change. We hope this exploration has enriched your understanding and appreciation of this fascinating expression. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the stories and emotions they convey. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to uncovering more linguistic gems with you in the future. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.